I was talking to somebody the other day who said, Dr. Chase, I have had to fix 7 holes in my walls in the last 2 weeks. Okay, so a situation like that, your child is putting holes in your wall, your child is cutting, your child is doing things that create damage, then you set a boundary. You are angry, and I completely understand that you're angry. So you validate the emotion, but the behavior that I see as a result of that emotion needs to stop. But I'm saying simplify your language. So here's how it goes. Hey, I get it. You're pretty stressed out right now. And you may not put holes in the wall. So the word and is a better bridge. If you say but, you're basically saying everything I just said I didn't really mean. So it sounds like this. I get it. You're really stressed out. Anything I can do to help you with being stressed out, please let me know. And we have to find a better way for you to share when you're angry. Putting holes in the wall is not allowed. So do you hit them for putting a hole in the wall? Absolutely not. Do you take away privileges of driving the car this weekend? Perhaps. But I think a better result is you teach them something to do instead. You validate the feeling, and then you make them fix it.